Is this the best corned beef ever? Made in an Instant Pot? Let's find out, and it'll take less than 3 minutes. So let's get started. We've got a flat-cut corned beef brisket here. It weighs about 3.5 pounds or so. On sale, it was a great deal at $3.59 a pound. We're going to start by taking it out of the package and rinsing it off, drying it off, and putting it on a cutting board. It's got a nice fat cap. We're going to leave that right there. Don't have to do anything to it. We're going to cut this into 3 equal pieces so it'll fit in the Instant Pot a little bit better. I've got 1 beer, 12 ounces, poured into this 4-cup measuring cup. Then I just filled the rest up with water to get 4 cups total of liquid. Then we're just going to add that to our 6-quart Instant Pot. You could also use beef broth or just water. Now let's put our 3 pieces of brisket into the Instant Pot with the liquid. Nestle it down in there so it's all covered. Best you can. If you need a little more liquid, just put a smidge more in. Now we're going to add the seasoning pack that came with the brisket. 1 piece of celery cut in half, just because I had it. You don't need it. About 1/4 of an onion, just because I had it. You don't need it. And that's what it looks like when we've got everything in. Let's get the lid on the Instant Pot, and we'll set it to sealing. Then we're going to go to manual mode and set it for 75 minutes. It will start automatically, as you know, if you have an Instant Pot. Took about 10 minutes to come to pressure here. That's a lot of liquid in there, 4 cups. And we cooked that to 75 minutes. I let it natural release for, as you can see, about 19 minutes. Then I did a quick release for the rest of the pressure that was in there, not much. Took less than a minute, as you can see. And here's our finished corned beef brisket, and it smelled fantastic. Let's go ahead and remove that to a baking dish. This happens to be just a Pyrex dish. We're going to get that out. We're going to add a little bit of the liquid from inside the pot there to keep it moist, and let it rest for about 10-15 minutes. Then we're going to remove that fat cap and get it cut up, and this is what it's going to look like when it's done. So is it good? Let's find out. Haha, cuts right through with the fork, no problem. Nice, moist, you can see it glistening there. And it was definitely the best corned beef brisket I've ever made. I'll be doing that again, and I hope you try it too. Be sure to check down in the video description below for all the amounts, ingredients, and times. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.